Yo, what's up everyone, it's Shankar. We're diving deep into the world of AI today, and no, I'm not talking about some futuristic sci-fi movie. This is about using AI right now to level up your life, specifically your bank account. We're talking about side hustles, passive income, the whole 9 yards, but powered by artificial intelligence. I hit up 5 different AI tools with one simple question: how can I make an extra $1,000 per week? And their answers, well, you're gonna wanna see this. First up, we got the OG ChatGPT. You know it, you've probably used it. I asked it straight up, how can I make an extra grand a week? And ChatGPT, being the helpful AI that it is, went straight to the world of freelancing. It broke it down real simple. Identify your skills. Are you a writing whiz, coding ninja? Maybe you're a design deity. ChatGPT says there's a freelance gig out there for you. Polish your profiles on sites like Upwork and Fiverr, create some killer samples and start pitching clients. Specialize in a niche to stand out from the crowd. Let's see what the next AI has in store. Next, we're stepping into the ring with Jasper, an AI known for its content creation prowess. I hit Jasper with the same question, but its answer took a different route. Jasper's vision? Building a content agency. Now I know what you're thinking, an agency? That sounds intense. But Jasper broke it down into manageable steps. Identify a niche. Maybe you're passionate about tech, finance, or sustainable living. Use Jasper to create high-quality blog posts, social media content, even video scripts for clients in that niche. Use platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to find freelancers for tasks like graphic design or video editing. Jasper even suggested creating packages and pricing plans for your services. Pretty meta, right? Alright, let's see what the next contender brings to the table. For our third contender, we've got Pictory, an AI that's all about transforming content into engaging short-form videos. Pictory's strategy? Mining the goldmine that is Reddit and Twitter. Find viral-worthy content on these platforms and then use its AI magic to turn them into engaging shorts. It can automatically add captions, music, and even stock footage to bring those text-based stories to life. Pictory even has a feature that lets you clone your voice, so you can narrate videos without ever having to hit record. Monetization? Build a following on platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Once you've got eyes on your content, explore options like brand deals and sponsorships. Pretty clever if you ask me. Next up, we're diving into the world of SEO with WriteSonic. This AI is all about crafting blog posts that rank high on Google and drive traffic and hopefully revenue. WriteSonic's game plan revolves around creating a niche blog and monetizing it with affiliate marketing. First, identify a profitable niche. WriteSonic suggests using keyword research tools to find topics people are searching for. Once you've got your niche, WriteSonic can help you churn out high-quality, SEO-optimized blog posts. Weave in affiliate links naturally within your posts. Find products or services relevant to your niche, join their affiliate programs, and sprinkle those links strategically throughout your content. Okay, let's see what our final contender has in store. Last but not least, we've got Opus Clip, an AI that's laser-focused on repurposing long-form videos into bite-sized shorts. Opus Clip's strategy is all about maximizing your content's reach and monetization potential. Got a YouTube channel with hours of valuable content? Opus Clip can help you transform those lengthy videos into attention-grabbing shorts. It automatically identifies key moments, adds captions, and optimizes your shorts for each platform's algorithm. Instead of letting those long videos gather dust, you can breathe new life into them and reach a whole new audience on platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Drive traffic back to your main YouTube channel from your shorts. That means more views, more subscribers, and ultimately more revenue. So, there you have it. 5 different AI tools, 5 unique approaches to making an extra $1,000 a week. Whether you're drawn to the flexibility of freelancing, the scalability of a content agency, or the power of short-form video, there's an AI out there ready to help you level up your hustle. Which of these AI side hustles are you most likely to try? Let me know in the comments down below. And hey, if you found this video valuable, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and check out the description for links to all the AI tools we discussed today. Some of those are affiliate links which help support the channel. Thanks for watching.